Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to get the originally known as badge on Discord. So this is basically it. So when you go here you can see the badge, so originally known as Chevy KT. So this was when the update was not uh done yet. So the update is they removed the tag, the hashtag, and the number, so now it is only the username and no hashtag and stuff. So if you want to remove or add that, just need to go to your user settings, go to profiles, and just scroll down till you see this one, the legacy username badge. So if you want to turn that off, we'll remove it to your profile banner or profile overall. So we'll just remove it there, and if you add it again, it'll just pop off there. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.